magical kingdom of Floraland, there lived a little princess named Barbie. Barbie was not like any other princess. She had a heart as big as the kingdom itself and a spirit full of curiosity and adventure. Floraland was a land of beauty, where flowers bloomed all year round, and the air was always filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. Princess Barbie lived in a grand castle surrounded by gardens that stretched as far as the eye could see. Every morning, the sun would rise and cast a golden hue over the land, making everything shimmer like it was made of gold. The castle had tall towers with flags that fluttered in the breeze, and the gardens were home to colorful butterflies and singing birds. Barbie loved to explore the gardens, often accompanied by her best friends, a group of animals who adored her. There was Tinker the squirrel, Bella the bunny, Sparkle the deer, and Chirpy the little bluebird. Together, they would embark on many adventures, discovering hidden nooks and secret paths in the vast garden. One sunny afternoon, as Barbie and her friends played near the edge of the garden, they stumbled upon a hidden path they had never seen before. The path was overgrown with vines and flowers, almost as if it had been forgotten by time. Barbie's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Let's see where this path leads," she exclaimed. With Tinker leading the way, the group ventured down the path. They walked through a tunnel of blooming roses and sparkling fireflies until they reached a mysterious forest. The forest was unlike any they had ever seen. The trees were tall and majestic, their leaves shimmering with a magical glow. The air was filled with the sound of tinkling bells, and a gentle mist floated above the ground. "This place is enchanting," whispered Bella, her eyes wide with wonder. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they came across a sparkling river with water as clear as crystal. On the other side of the river stood a majestic unicorn with a mane that sparkled like the stars. Barbie had heard stories of unicorns, but had never seen one. She approached the unicorn slowly, her heart pounding with excitement. "Hello," she said softly, "I'm Princess Barbie." "Who are you?" The unicorn bowed its head gracefully. "I am Stardust, guardian of the Enchanted Forest." "It is a pleasure to meet you, Princess Barbie." Barbie and her friends were thrilled to meet Stardust. The unicorn explained that the Enchanted Forest was a place of magic and wonder, protected by ancient spells. However, Stardust had a sad look in her eyes. "Lately, a dark cloud has been hovering over our forest. Something is wrong, and I fear that the magic of the forest is fading." Barbie felt a surge of determination. "How can we help?" she asked. Stardust looked at Barbie with hope. "There is a legend of a magical flower called the heart blossom that grows in the deepest part of the forest. It is said that the heart blossom has the power to restore the magic of the Enchanted Forest. But the journey to find it is perilous, and many have tried and failed." Barbie's friends looked at each other with a mix of fear and determination. "We can do it, Barbie," said Sparkle. "We'll stick together and find the heart blossom." Barbie nodded. "We will find the heart blossom and save the Enchanted Forest. Let's go." And so, Barbie and her friends, guided by Stardust, set off on a quest to find the heart blossom. They traveled through the forest, facing challenges and solving puzzles along the way. They crossed a bridge guarded by a riddle-speaking owl, navigated through a maze of magical mirrors, and braved the dark forest where shadows whispered secrets. Through it all, Barbie's kindness, bravery, and determination shone brightly. She encouraged her friends, found clever solutions to problems, and never gave up hope. The bond between Barbie and her friends grew stronger with each challenge they overcame. One evening, as they set up camp in a small clearing, Stardust shared a story about the forest's history. Long ago, the Enchanted Forest was a place of great magic and joy, she began. Creatures from all over the world would come to bask in its beauty. But one day, a powerful sorceress named Morgana sought to control the magic for herself. The guardians of the forest, including my ancestors, managed to seal her away, but not before she cursed the heart blossom to wither if her dark presence ever returned. Barbie listened intently. "Do you think Morgana has come back?" Stardust shook her head. "I do not know, but the signs are troubling. We must find the heart blossom quickly." The next morning, they continued their journey. The forest grew denser and darker, and the challenges more daunting. They encountered a group of mischievous sprites who tried to lead them astray. With Barbie's patience and kindness, they managed to befriend the sprites, who then offered guidance through the labyrinthine woods. As they approached the deepest part of the forest, they encountered a fierce dragon named Ember. Ember was enormous, with scales that shimmered like molten lava and eyes that glowed with an inner fire. Barbie stepped forward bravely. "We seek the heart blossom to save the Enchanted Forest," she said. "Will you help us?" Ember roared, shaking the trees around them. "Why should I help you, little princess?" he growled. Barbie stood her ground, her voice steady. "Because the forest is in danger, and without it, all its magic will be lost. Including the magic that sustains you." The dragon studied her for a moment before nodding slowly. "Very well. I will help you. Follow me." Ember led them through a series of hidden caves and tunnels, filled with glowing crystals and ancient carvings. They finally emerged into a hidden valley, where the heart blossom stood at the center, surrounded by a ring of ancient stones. But the sight that greeted them was disheartening. The heart blossom was wilting, its vibrant colors fading to dull shades of gray. Barbie approached the flower with reverence. "We need to revive it," she said softly. "But how?" A soft voice echoed around them. "Only the purest heart, with courage and love, can restore the heart blossom." Barbie took a deep breath and reached out, touching the petals gently. She closed As the night drew to a close, Barbie stood on the balcony of the castle, looking out over the kingdom. The stars twinkled brightly in the sky, and the moon cast a gentle glow over the land. She felt a deep sense of fulfillment and joy, knowing that she had made a difference. King Eric and Queen Seraphina joined her on the balcony. "You have grown into a remarkable princess, Barbie," said the king, his voice filled with pride. Queen Seraphina nodded. "You have shown that true courage and kindness can overcome any challenge." Barbie smiled, feeling the warmth of her parents' love. "I couldn't have done it without my friends," she said. "Together, we can achieve anything." As the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, Barbie continued to explore Floral Land with her friends. They discovered new places, met new creatures, and created countless memories. The Enchanted Forest flourished under the care of Stardust and the Guardians, becoming a place of wonder and magic once more. And so, Princess Barbie and her friends lived happily ever after, their hearts always open to new adventures and the magic of friendship. They knew that as long as they had each other, they could face any challenge and make the world a more beautiful and magical place.